Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another mini album project share to show you guys, and you guys know I've been loving crafting some Halloween, so I do have another mini album to share with you guys. And in case you guys want to make your own, I do have a video class tutorial, which I will link in the description box down below. But I just love making these so much. They're like the perfect size to document either a day trip or a weekend trip. And they're just so perfect. They're little, they fit in your hand so nicely, and I love making them. So you'll definitely be seeing more of these coming up also, but I just wanted to share with you guys because it's also fun to see them in different papers and how they're decorated and everything like that. So let's get started and I'll show you guys the paper I use and the whole album. Okay, so for this mini album, I used a collection by Photoplay. It is called Matilda and Godfrey, and I have double-sided paper, and I had only 12 sheets, so there's six different sheets, I think, that are double-sided. So I used 6 of them for this current project, but yeah, that's all the pages I have, so I'll probably be making another one with the same paper collection because it looks more masculine. So if you want to like document like your son's Halloween adventure, it's perfect because it's more masculine. And I did have the sticker sheet as well, which is where these stickers came from. There's so many like girly Halloween collections, a lot of pastel Halloween or pastelloween, whatever you guys want to call it. But sometimes you just want to craft with like the traditional Halloween and you need something more masculine and not so girly. So this one is perfect for that because it's got all the Halloween colors of the purples, the oranges, the blacks, the greens. And I just love how it all came together. I'm more myself of like an orange and black kind of Halloween, but I really do like how this one turned out. So I did stitching across all the pages and obviously the covers because you guys know I stitch on all my covers, but it is the regular stitch instead of the zigzag stitch. I decorated with this boo sentiment and a little ghosty behind that, a little potion bottle, and then I popped this up on some chipboard and it says Ghosts and Gals, or Goals, Ghosts and Goals? No, Ghosts and Gals, I think, right? I never know how to say that word. But I've got this little spider charm. He's so cute. This orange wire wrapped bead, and then this green tassel charm that I included on there, and it's got a purple eyelet. There's some purple gemmies here, some green gemmies there, enamel dots. And I wrapped the spine with this beautiful paper, which just looks perfect. And then the back side has my handmade logo sticker. And the seam binding, I've got like the dark orange, I've got like a peachy, green, purple, and black colors. And they're all from My Scrap Cabin Shop. And you guys know I love her seam binding, so I will have her shop link down below as well. So when you open this cutie patootie up, this is what it looks like. I've used cut-aparts from the collection, which is one of these that says Happy Halloween. And I matted it onto some black, and I left the inside like white for some journaling. And it's just so cute, guys. I also left the side of this open so the recipient could like tuck something in here. So all of here, you could tuck something behind that, whether it's a photo or another little note and whatnot. So I thought that was fun and just like a nice way to kind of like open this up, and it says Happy Halloween, so you know, like obviously you know from the cover that it's like a Halloween album, but I don't know, it just looked cute there instead of just like the plain paper. Then this next page turns. Here I have like a bat paper with some it's like an orange background with black bats, and then I cut apart from the collection that says Creepy Crawler. And I matted all of these onto white cardstock so that they have journaling space in case you want to add some photos and do some journaling as well. Same thing with all of the tags. Because it is double-sided paper, I matted all of them onto some white cardstock for more journaling space on the back, because I know that the recipient is going to be using it for journaling. So I have all of that there. Then here's that next page, the same one that I have wrapped around on the spine, and there's another pull-out tag Isn't this such a fun collection? I definitely like how masculine it looks with all the colors and like the more toned down colors, not so like bright and vivid, but they're just like a little bit more toned down with the greens and the purples. Here I made a pocket here, and inside of here there's this card. I don't even know what that means, but I'm guessing it means Day of the Dead, but I don't really know. And again, matted onto some white cardstock. And there's another pull-out tag here. This one's got the black seam binding and it's got the white back. So that lives in there. Then there's also a pocket here so that the recipient could add more photos and whatnot. Then this next page, I've got another cut apart here that says Jeepers Creepers. And this cut apart is actually from another paper collection called Beautiful Nights. I don't know by what company, but it's called Beautiful Nights, and I just thought it matched here, so I put it in here, and it just says Jeepers Creepers, and I put a white background on the back, and then with the tag, you've got the stripes and a white back on that as well. And don't forget, guys, I do have the video class tutorial in case you guys want to learn how to make one of these cutie patooties. I love making them so much. They're literally the perfect size. And I love how well they fit into your hand, and they're just so cute. And they'll fit 3x4 photos. Like this is a 3x4, so that will fit here if you want to add 3x4 photos. You could also go to 4x5. So 4x5 would pretty much fill up this page. And if you wanted to do a 4x6, it would have to just be horizontal, and you would like cut part of it, but you could still include it on to these pages, which I love. So here's another cut apart that says this is the night of Halloween when all the witches might be seen. You've got the white background, and I did make this pocket here, and you would learn all of that in the video class tutorial, how to make the pockets, how to make the tags, how to stitch on all the pages, or if you're gluing, when to glue. So yeah, lots to learn in the video class. Here I have another pull-out tag here, and I love these because these are more spaces for photos. You could always add another photo here. You could add photos on the back, but I would probably add a photo here and do journaling on the back, but it's also up to the recipient. I just love it. So much space for photos and journaling, and also so perfect for a day trip or like a weekend getaway. So here is another page. It's like a spiderweb paper with another cut apart that says Boo. And this one was like a smaller one in the collection, but I still wanted to include it in here. So that just looks like that, and it's matted onto the white. And then here is the pull-out tag. So yeah, and that is pretty much everything. Then the last page you could just add more photos and whatnot. I love these albums so much, so you'll definitely be seeing more of these. I know I've created so many of them, but I think it's fun to also show you guys all the different kinds of paper collections that I've been using. So I've done like a lot of like neutral ones that could be used whenever, and now I'm getting into like some themed ones. So I did this one, I did the other Halloween one, if you guys saw that one. And yay, so you guys would just definitely be seeing more. I got to do some Christmas also, and they're just so fun, guys. I just love them so much. All right, so again, if you're interested, video class tutorials linked down below. I'll also link my scrap cabin shop for the seam binding in case you guys want that as well. And that is everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.